Okay, this is a small project I'm doing for my friend on the boat. He has two batteries there, 100 ampere hour, and only one is used. Now, once you finish one battery, when you are close to finishing one battery, you need to start the engine in order for it to charge. Oh, there is a cat outside moaning. Man. Okay, never mind. So I did it yesterday. Worked 4 hours, and today, like, I think 3 hours. I had some problems here. So this is the prototype, and this is the enclosure itself. You have a potentiometer inside. To decide to change, you can reach it with the screwdriver and adjust the level of the voltage. Now it shows the voltage of more or less of the battery. I can adjust it as much as I want. Now it shows 12.6. If I take it up to 13.2, it means it's either charging or the battery is full, and the green LED is glowing. Now I take a little by little to 13 volts. I take the voltage down, 12.8, 12.6, 12.3, 11.9. This now the four red LEDs are glowing out of the 10. 11.9, 11.6. Of course I can adjust it to start buzzing. Now when it reaches this level at 11.4 volts, I can change it slightly higher or lower as much as I want. It starts to buzz, and that's the last LED. You probably want the last LED to buzz. Well, there was a small bug there. I had to make to add a chip inside to fix it. There are a few ways to fix it, but I don't have time. I'm meeting him tomorrow, and I just want it to work. And it's quite fair that it will work quite to the lowest. It will alarm us, the fellow sailors, before time, and that's okay. Now the enclosure is waterproof, even though I did a few holes to put the cable here to hear the buzzer. There are many improvements that you can do. This is a very small project. For example, you can go further and make the buzzer buzz in a siren way, or buzz and stop, and put a push button. Once you press it, it will shut down and not buzz anymore, because once the battery is down, you start the engine, it goes up, it will stop by itself. But you can take, you see there are crocodiles over here. I bought them through eBay, a cheap ones, but do the job for this project, this small mission. And you can go much further and put a digital voltage that it will tell you. It can start by itself the engine if it connects with the relay and some other equipment to the engine itself. It can start. it can do not this particular circuit, but more advanced and more sophisticated one can do it. It's a matter of more complicated design and more time and the will to do it, and if it's really necessary. It all depends if you really need it, because once you do a project and if I don't use it, or the one I do the work for, this I do voluntarily. He doesn't pay for me for this. As long as I sail with him, it's not a problem. I give it for him. Anyway, if I don't use my project, I don't. It's for me. It doesn't count. Now, I will do a video later, not today, when I finish this clock. It's a very nice clock I made, and it will feed with this step motor. It will feed the fish. It will wake me up once a day, and also it can feed the fish another hour. If I'm not at home, it can do it. This is the project I have to do to practical engineering. When finishing, you have to assign some project, and this one of course you can adjust the alarm and the clock itself, the two alarms, the fish alarm and the buzzer alarm, and the clock itself, of course. And if I have enough legs in the microcontrollers, I will add temperature, digital temperature meter that will show here on the LCD. Okay, thank you.